time. Studio tour trainers. In the meantime, make sure you're standing on a numbered star on the ground. Each one of those stars represents a seat on board the next train. So, if you've got a star.
Ahead is Sullivan's Garage. Since 2015, we've been taking guests inside and immersing them in the world of the Fast and Furious franchise in Fast and Furious Supercharged. Now, as we excitedly await the opening of the Fast and Furious Hollywood Drift roller coaster next year, we are bidding farewell to Fast and Furious Supercharged. That means you are going to be among the last guests who get to experience the original attraction here on the back line. Let's set the scene and get into character for one last ride. So we'll be heading in very soon.
This is Agent Novak with an FBI alert about individuals who are not authorized to be involved in the witness protection operation I'm heading up with my FBI team. Be on alert for Dominic Toretto, an ex-convict who has broken laws throughout the U.S. and around the world. Despite his checkered past, Toretto and his crew were recruited by Agent Luke Hobbs to assist U.S. diplomatic security missions and was granted a pardon for the crimes he committed. Is a street racer and mechanic on Dom's crew. She's particularly vicious when protecting Dom. Her ordeals have impaired her memory, but she always remembers two things. She's got Dom's back.
Alright, we are heading in. Okay, I'm going to set a scene. So this is the setup. One of you is an undercover witness, and international criminal Owen Shaw is after you. We're gonna keep everybody safe in here. We don't need those 3D glasses just yet. We'll let you know when to put them on. Let's see how this plays out. It could be fun. I promise I'll let you guys know when to put those glasses on. I promise.
Hey, yo! It just got here. All right, I got it. Well, listen, hello, beautiful people. Her name is Roman Pierce. Nice to meet you. 20 Hobbs access to stash show for a while. Brought you in our secret spot. We have to keep brings over. It's a little messy. It's all good. The more the merrier. Especially you right there. So look, see you there. It's so big. It's the best truck the U.S. government can buy. That work of art back over there is made by my man Ted. Think of it as like a Mona Lisa on wheels.
Alright, look guys, we're gonna keep Shaw from finding you. To keep you safe, we need your help. We don't want the syndicate tracking us, so pull away your cameras and turn off your cell phones. One flash or one ringtone will give us a
I need y'all to take this real serious.
Okay, pull into the next bay. I'll meet you in there.
So like I'm saying, the third row, right? Sit down. Sit down. This is what we doing. This is the race day after party, and what the other?
Roman Pierce. Roman Pierce, FBI, don't move.
Yeah.
That's right, party's over.
You know how long I took to iron this shirt, man? I'm not.
You're under arrest right now.
Ladies, let's back up a little bit. Got it. It's lightweight. First of all, I don't work for you.
Oh, really? Well, tell me, Roman, who do you work for?
We don't work for nobody. I suggest you clear out of here, otherwise we can't guarantee your safety.
Guarantee my safety? I'm the one holding the gun.
Yeah, but mine's a whole lot bigger than yours. Escort this novice out. Let's go, Cookie Puss. You got an ugly suit on, man. It's cheap.
Somebody out there really pissed off Shaw. It's gonna get ugly fast.
Yeah, don't worry. Lucky for you, our whole family will protect you.
Are you kidding me, Roman? You didn't shut off your phone, bro?
I gotta call you back. I'm in the middle tonight.
See what I'm talking about?
Call you back.
Man.
It was on vibrate. Sean traced us. Ops can't hold him forever. Letty, Roman, we're up. Driver, move that vehicle. It's about to get real interesting. My Mona Lisa's all warmed up right next door. Roman, grab your truck. I need you and Letty ready to roll.
Look, I don't know where our driver's taking us, but what I do know is that you must stay seated, turn off any flasher light on your cell phones and cameras, and put on those protective beauty glasses.
This is our turn. After them! Okay, guys, it's showtime! Come to the left! This thing ain't moving fast enough! Roman, Letty, hook him up!
Hit it!
I got the move by the horn! Now we're moving!
Don't think you're getting away! Find the claws!
Way to go, Letty!
Don't climb another missile shot!
Not gonna happen! Don't worry, I got this!
Roman, don't shoot! Head for the bridge! Under construction! Everybody hold on!
Hit the nitrous!
We're not gonna make it!
Ride or die! It's hit the big in the film and the stronger it is.
Alrighty, folks, let's give it up for Supercharged as we wait for the opening of the Fast and Furious Hollywood Drift roller coaster next year. We are bidding farewell to Fast and Furious Supercharged. That means you were among the last guests to experience the original attraction here on the back lot. To stay up to speed on Fast and Furious Hollywood Drift, visit our website and follow our socials for updates.